Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix an error occurred while ejecting CD drive in Windows. Right-click CD drive, click Eject. Right-click CD drive, click Show More Options. Click Power ISO, click Set Number of Drives, click Disable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.